Let's take a look at how Ricoh Interactive Whiteboards can help you engage completely at the speed of ideas.
Dallasday is a company working with design management and idea development for technology-adapted furniture and products. We're also specialized in environment design for technology-intense meeting areas. This is not a big company, but we have a large international market with customers all over the world. We have to choose the right production partner for every project. We're currently working with 1993 Production in Sweden and FM Systemmöbel in Germany. Our challenge has been to find simple, intuitive ways to communicate and collaborate, finding paths to cutting time to market but still maintaining the feeling of working together as a team.
Using devices that facilitate collaboration at the speed of ideas, precious time is saved in the development process. Dallasday will then be able to produce prototypes and view production samples more quickly, and that will substantially improve the project's overall economy. Smart features such as OCR recognition will seamlessly integrate text into various documents. All the information can be shared at the meeting to other mobile and fixed units. The team will work together interactively in order to make quick decisions and sign off on issues such as material or measure adjustments. With Ricoh solutions and services, you can instantly visualize what you want to achieve with a design and an entire project. All information can be shared immediately after a meeting, by email, and saved as a file on the interactive whiteboard.
The solutions and services that Ricoh has provided has helped us to take the step into an international market with our products and work. Dallasday is a contemporary company and we're really inspired by this way of working.
Ricoh Interactive Whiteboards allow you to collaborate anywhere, share securely, connect simply, all at the speed of ideas.